If someone just walked out of your life and you're sitting there wondering what you did wrong, I need you to hear this. The harder you try to make someone regret losing you, the less likely it is to happen. If you really want someone to look back and wonder if they made the biggest mistake of their life, don't chase them. Today I'm breaking down exactly what makes someone unforgettable after a breakup. And it's not what you think. Here's what almost everyone gets wrong. When we lose someone we love, our first instinct is to chase. Call them, text, we need to talk. Show up looking a mess, begging for one more chance. And listen, I get it, that panic is real. But here's the psychology behind it. Desperation kills desire. The moment someone senses they still have full control over your emotions, your value in their mind actually drops. Not because they're cruel, it's just how the human brain is wired. We want what feels earned, not what's handed to us in tears. So what actually makes someone regret losing you? It comes down to one uncomfortable truth. You have to become someone they can no longer predict. Right now, in their head, they think they know exactly how this story ends. You'll cry, you'll beg, you'll wait around, and eventually you'll take them back on whatever terms they choose. Your job now is to break that script completely. First, disappear from their emotional radar. Not to play games, but because silence is the loudest thing you can give someone who's used to your constant attention. Every message you send, every like on their story, every just checking in text, it's basically telling their nervous system, I'm still yours to lose. Pull that away, and something strange happens. The brain fixates on what it can't access. That's not manipulation, that's just human attachment wiring. Second, rebuild your life in a way that has nothing to do with them. This is the part people skip because it's the hardest. Go back to the gym. Pick up that hobby you dropped when the relationship got demanding. Reconnect with friends you ghosted because you were too busy being in love. Here's why this matters psychologically. When they eventually hear through the grapevine that you're thriving, doing things, glowing without them, it triggers something called reactive devaluation. Basically, their brain starts questioning whether they misjudged how replaceable you actually were. Third, and this one's uncomfortable, stop giving them access to your pain. If you're still subtweeting, posting cryptic lyrics, or venting to mutual friends, hoping it gets back to them, you're handing them proof that they still run your emotional world. The version of you they'll regret losing is the version who healed quietly without needing an audience. Real confidence doesn't announce itself. And finally, when you do interact again, whether by circumstance or their own move, be warm but unavailable, not cold, not petty, not performing indifference, just at peace. That kind of calm is unsettling to someone who expected wreckage. It tells them the door they thought was always open has quietly closed, and now they have to earn their way back in if there's even a way back in at all. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't create regret by proving how much you loved someone. You create it by proving how well you live without them. People don't miss what begs to stay. They miss what they watch walk away whole. If you've ever done the healing out loud, glowing without them, tell us in the comments. I want to hear how it went. And if you're in the middle of this right now, tell me below. Are you still checking their story, or have you already gone quiet? Let's talk about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more of this, and so you never miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.